let's go over how to draw Max from Oddballs. Alrighty, let's get started. Alright, let's do this. It's gonna be step by step for beginners, and we're gonna guide you through it. Alright, let's do it. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna start with kind of Max's nose, so slight curve, something like that. Gonna pull back, kind of along the snout. Right, he's like a crocodile, right, or an alligator. And also, don't forget that you just want to be close enough with this stuff. You don't want to be, you don't need to be exact, but you just want to be close enough with when you're drawing. So everything, if it curved, just as long as you get the impression down, it's good. Gonna go right here. We're gonna swoop up a little bit and right into a ball shape. Gonna over here on this side, and another ball shape right there. We're gonna connect those two ball shapes right here. Throw a dot right here. All right, there you go. Good so far. Now we're gonna go from here, pull down, line over here. Just gonna go over that line a little bit again. Then we're gonna curve over here to the right there. It's got kind of like closed mouth expression there. Let's go to the back, pulling back, down. Alrighty, let's kind of keep it going here. Maybe another marker because this marker is kind of bad. Down here, curve out. Okay, so far so good. Gonna go over here to the mouth, curve right here for the bottom of the mouth. Okay, kind of keep it going even. Line right here for one nostril, line right here for the other nostril. Very simple. Go to the teeth, so it's just like a V shape. Another V shape here, really spread it out. You're gonna really just see like 4 teeth, something like that. Start about here for the neck. Curve down. This marker is also kind of drying out a little bit. Let me try another one I have sitting over here. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. This marker is a little better. Curve over here for the pelvis area. Curve down. Go over here to the back, the other leg, back over here. And curve around this side for his arm right there. Go over here on this side now. And his arm gets bigger as it goes down. That's something to keep in mind right there. Curve right here for his fingers, kind of like curled. Curve for the other finger. Pulling in. There we go. Kind of like that. Hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings. Something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answered them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head, and that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, you know, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it. If you're going to like anything, by the way, like the video if you can. Yeah, I'm trying to do these cool transitions into saying that, but I don't know how to do it. Curve right here. Down. Right there for the rest of his leg. Okay, doing good so far. Go down the feet over here, and he's got 3 triangle shaped toes. Over here on this side, same thing on that end. Curve right here for the knee area. Curve right here for the knee area. Just kind of one line curved. All right, we're doing good. Stay with me. We're almost done. All right, let's keep it going. You're gonna have this right there. There's a bump for kind of the alligator has those little osteoderms that stick out the back. This kind of bumps. Cool spikes. Curve right here. Curve right here. Curve right there. Okay, cool. Let's at this point, maybe around halfway to the arm, we're gonna start his tail sticking out back. Boom, right there. Right below his hand, we're gonna do the other part of it. Up over here. Curve. 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 Right there. Alright. So far so good. Sweet, sweet. And we can put the back arm as well. So let's just go over here. Curve right there, bump. And line right here so you can see a little bit of the finger on the corner there. Alright. Doing really good so far, okay? Really, really good. So from this, you know, expression that he has right here, we're going to pull back down here. Go over here to this area. Curve. 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 And another curve right here for kind of that like belly area, right, of Max. It's going to be kind of, you know, kind of the pattern on his stomach, you know, because crocodiles have that, like, two different patterns. They have, like, the underbelly and the other portion of it. We're going to curve this line back all the way. And then we're going to do one more thing, okay? So stay here if we can. We're going to draw a little bit of a thicker line just on the outside of Max. And I like doing this. I think it makes it look better. I think it kind of makes it look a little bit like a sticker. Down right here. Curve down. Out over here, in. Out over here, in. Out over here, in. Curve. Curve. Line over here. Downward. Alright. Over here at the top. Curve down. Line over here, up. Again, just kind of, again, you're just kind of putting the outside, like right there, the lines on the outside. And the cool part is, it's just simple. You're just kind of, more or less tracing your own drawing lines, right? So it's kind of like wrapping it up in a way, kind of like that preparation. And there's some fun to that, right? You want to, you know, keep that sense of fun. I forgot one thing over here. Line, 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 line for under the tail. And then a little bit of that change of color right there. Forgive me. A little bit of a thicker line over here. Curve, line, curve, line, curve, line, curve, line over here. And there we go. Okay, that is pretty close to it. Share the video if you like this. If you want more oddball characters, request them. This is actually a request in the comments. So I listen to you guys. I want to hear you say what's up in the comments section. I really pay attention to everything you say. So absolutely tell me anything and I'll probably do a video on it. I want to hear your thoughts on it. And I want you to stay right here because I want you to do another drawing lesson with me, okay? I want you to stay right here. Let's do another drawing lesson together right now, okay? So let's start into the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.